Here's my food, here's my chicken. Okay. Sawubona. Hello, hi. My name is Jackonce. Welcome to Jackonce's Food Quest. Another day, which means another episode, right? I'm on a food quest, right? So today, I'm on a quest on finding the best chicken. We're in Middelburg again, behind the taxi rank at the street vendors. It's going to check Uguti, which mom or which lady can serve me or sell me the best chicken and compare it with one of the best franchises around the country. So like I just said, we're looking for the best chicken at the street vendor. We just found one spot, one place where we can get the best chicken. So say order munch, then see the good chicken. Just ordered, got my plate of my chicken. I'm just going to see is it the best or not. Because I'm looking for the best chicken around in town. For hygiene purposes, I'm digging in on my chicken. I need to find the best chicken. I'll tell you now. The soup is nice. The gravy is nice. Let's go for the salad. Let's go for the big one. Remember, our quest is finding the best chicken in town. Then we're gonna compare another one around in town or one of the best franchises around in town. Starting from the street vendors. I'm still going on my chicken. One, it tastes nice. Now I'm scared of Danyakon. The chicken is the best. The chicken is nice. So I'd say it's one place that definitely come back. Spot one, I'm done. I was served my best chicken. I can simply say it's the best, but I don't know yet because I'm still visiting another spot to check the best chicken. So we're done here at the street vendor for getting my best chicken. Now I'm gonna compare it with the next spot that I'm visiting. I'm gonna check. We're at the second spot. Barcelos is the recommended one. Remember, we're looking for the best chicken in town. We're done with the street vendor. We're at the second spot now. Sise Barcelos. Sinubheka ukuthi bona njengoba sirecommendele khona bangasenzela na the best chicken as I'm on my food quest of the best chicken. Yeah, I'm on a quest on finding the best chicken. They are recommended as the best one. Say out the munch. Mama Sawan. Simple. The color equal to chicken. While in Salindin, you know, I don't know where we're going next, but I can invite you to suggest which spot should we visit next. Ekaslako, no my group that sells the best food. It can be chicken, it can be chips, it can be beef, anything. Remember, I'm on a food quest, so you can suggest the best spot Ekaslako that sells the best food. Thank you.
Here's your food.
Here's my food, here's my chicken. Thank you so much, ma'am. So the only way to find out is to eat the chicken. As I always ask myself, when you see, what's the purpose of this? But I'm sure maybe we'll see chicken and waiting it. I ordered mild. It's going to use a munch. We'll see just again. Let me see the rest on. We on our second prize. Testing the chicken which is all I I've chose my spice. I'm happy. Even the size of the chicken, the size of the piece is big enough. I thought at breast. I mean, I'm just looking for the best one. It's soft, well fried, simple. Yeah, it's kind of chicken is soft. So I'm happy finding one. Now, if you suggest any spot that sells best food, ngingaba nawe on the next episode. Just suggest any spot ekaslako that's ngafika khona and test their food. Akhoste kube chicken kuphela. Any food ekaslako that sells food spot singafika. Sizozwa ukuthi udla khona kumnandi kanjani. Now you can be part of me. Just comment and tell me, Jack, Zola Kastami, I know a place, I know a spot that sells the best food. Now we usibali, then you invite ube khona uzodla nami the chicken. That's all. That's juicy. That's a pastel. So like I just said, the aim is finding the best chicken. Jackonce's food quest. I'm on a food quest. So we're done at the second spot. We're off to the third one. I don't know what is up, but we'll see outside. Let me rate this one compared to the first one. I don't know, am I allowed to say which one is the best? But for now, I'm going with the first one. Right? Sure, I've already been into 2 spots already on my quest on finding the best chicken. If I were to now video so far, but please kindly share, like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at @value TV on YouTube, TikTok at @value. We at the test spot recommended by Upiri. Uti, they serve the best chicken. If you want a hashtag price, corner, so look ukuthi bangasensela na no bangasensela the best chicken. Asingene phakathi. Let's enter. You know, while I'm waiting, nginokukhuluma nawe. So do me a favor, please kindly suggest any spot ekaslako singafika nakhona to test any food that they sell. Akose kube chicken kuphela, any food that they sell, we can come. So now you can be invited. Maybe you must share on the comments. You could check once, visitor, na indawo. Now ke uziveze then singakuthatha sibe khona. Do me a favor, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel at @value, lapho YouTube, TikTok at @value. Thank you. Okay. We ate at that spot at hashtag prime. I just got served my chicken. It goes with chips. At Parcelos I've ordered breast. Now it's a leg. But we're still on the quest of finding the best chicken. As soon as you go to eat, taste like kanjani. Ngabe imnandi, ngabe yenjani. As much as we just dive into it. Immediately feel some steps. Hot, but it's nice. I love their sauce. I don't know why, but it's a look. Their sauce caught me. I said mild, but what did they give me hot? But it's still fine. You see now I'm confused. And the first one, the second one, and this one. This one slaps already. Already finished the drumstick. But don't call now we can visit your township. Just suggest to me, just suggest to us, we can visit any spot that sells food in Kaslako, Singapore. Doesn't have to be chicken. Any food that they sell. Jackonce's food quest can come there. So test the wood sector review it. Would come today busy buying chicken, testing chicken, reviewing chicken. No. It was about chicken today. Jackonce on the food quest and finding the best chicken in town in Middelburg. So now what the customers in Africa find the best food that they sell. You can any spot, even if they sell contact. Comment below and tell us what you that's in Africa. I guess we're done. Because we just finished at the test spot on finding the best chicken. We started at the street vendor, they gave us the best chicken. We went to Parcelos, they gave us the best chicken. We ate hashtag fry now, they also gave me the best chicken. Now I'm not sure which one to choose between the 3 spots that I went to. but I'm happy with the first one that I got at the street vendor. I'm happy with the second one. For sellers, I'm not sure, but now, like I've been mentioning, you can tell me which spot we can visit. I can start with that sales for sales, the best food. And don't remember the big one. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Search at Bailey on YouTube and subscribe. Just click and tell your friends. TikTok and at Bailey and subscribe and also comment. Thank you.